Hey, good morning, Matthew, Kyla, and Dominic. Paul Myers, Clark Communications up in North Bay. I just wanted to show you guys a quick kitchen case study that we've been doing in North Bay for about a year and a half now. And it's producing between 1 and 3 new kitchen installs every month. Dominic, I was 25 years as a general manager at North Bay Toyota. Retired from that 2 years ago to join my brother-in-law in his agency to bring this digital skill set that I've learned over the last 5 years to his agency. So I just wanted to say that. Love car guys. Was in it for an awful long time. So listen, I wanted to send you a quick video. This is a 4-minute video. It will highlight what we've done for a local kitchen cabinet manufacturer, and we've been doing this for the last 18 months. And this company is getting between 1 and 3 new kitchen deals every single month based on what we've implemented. I'd also like to talk to you a little bit about your website too, but I just wanted to introduce myself, get this out to you, and hopefully you enjoy the video and you see some value in it. And if you hit me back, I can talk to you a little bit more about how we can make things happen and how we can get these new revenues and dollars into the till. Okay, hopefully we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.